Go away. What? It's a camera. No, I'm not. If I was trying to take my picture, it wouldn't be taking your video.
Okay, I've had enough. I will send you all out. You know that.